So, Brandon. You're so cute. I put my feet on your chair. Hey, Boo. Booby. Hand me my ball, please. We'll play Minecraft later. No, Minecraft. Do you want to play Minecraft later?
Sure.
Sure, but hand me my ball. Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure I won't catch your horrible throw. Here, just hand it to me. It's right here, literally. I swear to God, if you fall, I'm putting this on YouTube.